a soul of a servant of God who, due to the addiction of ice and mkpurumiri, is heading towards destruction. This is a warning from God that the youth should desist from ice and mkpurumiri or any other kind of drugs. If not, the wrath of God is going to befall them. And whosoever God's wrath befalls eventually dies. So this is the warning coming from God. Say no to ice, say no to mkpurumiri, and say no to drugs. God bless you. Beware of the anger of God.
Hey! Oh! Emeka, go this way. You say you no go. Emeka, go this way. You say you no go. Emeka, go this way. You disobey me. You think you're going to deal with me. It won't happen. It won't happen. But today, I will deal with you. I will send you home. You will know that I am your Oga. Kata. Emeka! Where is this boy? Emeka, get me my mkpurumiri. Get me my mkpurumiri, my eyes. Get me my eyes, my mkpurumiri. This kind of thing is this. Can I buy your mkpurumiri? Huh? Let me smoke ice now and get myself.
I am here to save you. God asked me to tell you to stop smoking ice and mkpurumiri. If not, God's wrath will befall you. I am here to save you. God asked me to tell you to stop smoking ice and mkpurumiri. If not, God's wrath will befall you. If not, God's wrath will befall you.
Hey! God, forgive me. I will not smoke mkpurumiri ice again. Forgive me, oh God. I have sinned against you. And from today, I will serve you with all my heart. Thank you, God. Let's be a lesson to the youth all over the world that smoking of mkpurumiri is not good. It's not good at all. Oh God, forgive me. I will not smoke mkpurumiri again.
I know they promise anything where my power no reach. My yes is my yes, my no is my no. I know they make it younger. I'm a simple man by nature. Oh, funny identity. Oh, mama, funny identity. Oh.